In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make a Roblox account on VR. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are able to play Roblox on any VR headset or device that you have, then you will have to create a standard account and sign into it on that specific device. So the easiest way to make a Roblox account so you can start playing on your VR compatible headset is through the Roblox website. So through a web browser on your computer or your phone, go to roblox.com. In this page, you will be greeted with the sign up prompt. And in there, you will have to include some details to create your account, such as your birthday, your username, password, and alternatively an optional gender. Once you include all of those details and you click the option to sign up, you will be able to have your Roblox account created. You will use the username and password that you set up to sign into that specific Roblox account on any platform, any device, including your VR compatible headset. Now, in this video, unfortunately, I cannot get footage off of VR headset, but the process of creating your account is the same across all devices. So first, set up your account, and once you have it set up, you can go over to the experience that you would like to play, download the Roblox player or Roblox launcher, and everything is going to work flawlessly. The only requirement is that you create the account through a web browser on your computer or your phone. If you encounter any problems while trying to sign into the same account, double check the username and password that you are using, and as long as Roblox is compatible on the device and you are greeted with the sign in window, you shouldn't have any issues. Double check the credentials and you will be good to go to create your Roblox account. I hope I was able to help you on how to make a Roblox account on VR. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.